Fluazinam, belongs to the 2,4-dinitroaniline chemical class of fungicides. It is a broad-spectrum, non-systemic fungicide known for its protective action against a wide range of fungal diseases and its efficacy in controlling mites. Fluazinam is extensively used in agriculture for controlling various fungal diseases and pests. Grapes. It is effective against gray mold, Botrytis cinerea, and downy mildew, Plasmopara viticola. Apples. Fluazinam is also used to control mites, providing a dual benefit in apple orchards. Other crops. It is widely employed in potatoes, peanuts, and vegetables for managing diseases like late blight, white mold, and other fungal pathogens. Mode of action. Fluazinam works by inhibiting multiple processes in fungal cells, including the disruption of energy production and cell membrane function. It uncouples oxidative phosphorylation in fungal mitochondria, leading to energy depletion and cell death. Its multi-site action not only targets fungi, but also helps in controlling mites, making it a versatile tool in integrated pest management, IPM. Formulations. Fluazinam is available in various formulations, including suspension concentrates, wettable powders, and water-dispersible granules. Dosage. The recommended dosage of Fluazinam varies depending on the crop and specific disease or pest being targeted. Grapes, for gray mold and downy mildew, 100 to 200 grams of active ingredient per hectare. Apples, for mite control, 0.5 to 1 gram of active ingredient per liter of water. Potatoes, for late blight, 200 to 400 grams per hectare. Peanuts, for white mold, 500 to 700 grams per hectare. Always consult the manufacturer's label for precise application rates and instructions, and adhere to local agricultural guidelines. Thank you for watching our video on pesticide info. Remember, when using pesticides, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Always read the label carefully and use the product as directed to ensure effective and safe pest control. Always wear protective gear. Stay safe and protect your crops responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.